Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we are mapping out the architecture of data analytics in Spark in the cloud. If you've ever found yourself wondering exactly how all these modern data systems fit together, well, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the exact detailed journey for transitioning your old legacy systems straight into the cloud.
Our absolute core focus today is data analytics on the cloud. And look, this isn't just about dragging and dropping a few files onto someone else's server. No way. This is a massive, fundamental shift in exactly how we process, store, and analyze information at a massive scale. This whole concept really sets the stage for a complete paradigm shift in data handling, and we are going to explain the details of the exact topics and steps you need to get there.
Here is our roadmap for today. First, stepping stones to cloud. Second, Cloud SQL, your SQL database. Third, a lab on importing and querying. And fourth, Spark on Dataproc.
All right, diving into Section 1, Stepping Stones to Cloud, which is the beginning of the journey.
So before you even think about deploying all those shiny, complex new pipelines, you got to build a foundation, right? Step 1 here is assessing your current state. Honestly, you simply cannot migrate legacy systems if you don't take the time to map out your existing data dependencies first. Then, Step 2 is laying down those stepping stones to the cloud. We're talking about a deliberate, incredibly secure transition, rather than just blindly throwing your data at some new servers and hoping for the best. Taking this strategic approach is absolutely crucial because it stops you from accidentally creating a massive data swamp and instead builds that organized, structured mindset you literally need for successful cloud architecture.
Moving right along to Section 2, Cloud SQL, your SQL database. This is your core storage on the cloud.
So what is it? Well, Cloud SQL is exactly what it sounds like. Your SQL database on the cloud. This totally bridges the gap between decades of established relational database knowledge and modern infrastructure. You get to take the completely familiar table structures and all those queries you already know inside and out, but now you back them up with managed cloud infrastructure. This means the cloud handles all the tedious stuff for you, like backups, high availability, and automatically scaling up when you need it. It essentially forms the bedrock of your storage strategy, so you get the absolute comfort of traditional SQL perfectly combined with the reliability of the cloud. It's a real win-win.
Next up is Section 3, Lab, Importing, and Querying. Time for some practical application.
Because let's be real, theory is fantastic, but it really needs practical application to stick. This lab phase focuses on two highly actionable skills. First, actually importing your data into Cloud SQL. This shows you exactly how to take your external data sets and ingest them super cleanly into a cloud environment. And second, running queries against that live data. It's all about building up that muscle memory so you can easily manipulate, explore, and extract actual, valuable insights right from a managed cloud environment.
And finally, Section 4, Spark on Dataproc. This is all about advanced processing.
Okay, this right here is the true culmination of the architecture we're building. See, when your data gets so big that it literally outgrows a standard SQL database and you start requiring massive batch processing or maybe some really complex machine learning, that's when you turn to Apache Spark. And running Spark on Dataproc, well, that means you're getting the sheer, raw speed of in-memory data processing, but it's wrapped up nicely in a fully managed environment. Dataproc handles all the heavy lifting of deploying and managing these open source tools for you, so you don't have to waste time configuring clusters manually. It's essentially the gold standard for handling truly massive big data analytics efficiently in the cloud.
So from assessing those clunky legacy systems all the way to deploying some seriously advanced processing with Spark, this architecture completely changes how you handle data at scale. You've got the blueprint in your hands now. I guess the only question we have left is this: are you ready to begin the stepping stones to the cloud?